Hey everyone, thanks so much for visiting our YouTube channel.
Yeah, welcome. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button.
Hey Sarah, morning. I'm Alex from the marketing team. We haven't chatted much, but I see you around the office all the time. How's your day starting off?
Oh, hi, Alex. Yeah, I'm Sarah in accounting. Nice to finally talk properly. My morning's been okay so far. A bit rushed, you know. I spilled my tea on the way in. What about you? You look like you've got that coffee to keep you going.
Yeah, guilty as charged. This is my second cup already. I had a late night binge watching that new show everyone's talking about. You know, the one with the detectives. Anyway, it's keeping me awake. So, Sarah, what do you do exactly in accounting? I mean, I know it's numbers and stuff, but it always seems mysterious to me.
Mysterious? Nah, it's just a lot of spreadsheets and making sure everything adds up. I handle the budgets for projects, track expenses, that kind of thing. It's not as exciting as marketing. You guys get to be creative all day. What about you? What's your role like?
Oh, it's fun, but stressful sometimes. I come up with ideas for ads and campaigns. Right now, we're working on this big promo for the new product launch. Speaking of which, that's actually why I came over. But hey, before I dive into that, tell me something fun. What's the best part of your job? Or the worst?
Hmm. The best part is when everything balances perfectly at the end of the month. It's like solving a puzzle. The worst? Probably chasing people for receipts. Last week, I had to email this guy 3 times for a coffee receipt from a meeting. Like, come on, it's just $5. What about you? Any funny stories from marketing?
Oh man, tons. Remember that time we launched the wrong ad graphic? It had a typo that said best fries instead of best friends for a friendship app promo. The boss was not happy, but we fixed it quick. Went viral for the wrong reasons. Anyway, that reminds me of why I'm here. I need some help with a task if you're not too busy.
Sure, what's up? I'm not swamped right now. Just finishing up some reports. Hit me with it.
Cool, thanks. So I'm putting together this presentation for the team meeting tomorrow. It's about our quarterly budget for the marketing campaigns, but I'm terrible with numbers, like really bad. I can dream up ideas, but when it comes to crunching the figures and making sure they make sense, yeah, that's not my strength. I was wondering if you could take a look at it, maybe help me fix any mistakes or explain where I'm going wrong?
Oh, presentations with budgets? I live for that stuff. Yeah, I'd be happy to help. What's the main issue? Is it the calculations or just organizing the data?
Both, honestly. See, I have this spreadsheet here. I tried to input the costs for ads, social media boosts, and events, but when I add them up, it doesn't match the total budget we're supposed to have. It's off by like $1,000 or something, and I need to make slides that show this clearly without confusing everyone.
Let me see. Okay, first off, this column here, you've got the ad spends. Looks like you added them right, but wait. Ah, here. You forgot to include the tax on this one. That's probably throwing it off. Common mistake. Don't worry. And for the slides, maybe we can use charts, like a pie chart to show where the money's going. People love visuals.
Pie charts? Genius. I was just going to list numbers, but that sounds way better. You're a lifesaver, Sarah. Hey, this reminds me of a story from my first job. I was an intern at this small company, and I had to do a budget report all by myself. Ended up mixing up dollars and euros. Total disaster. The boss thought it was funny, luckily. Ever had something like that happen?
Oh, yeah. In college, I was in this group project for accounting class. We had to balance a fake company's books. I accidentally entered a zero extra in the revenue, made us look like millionaires overnight. The professor caught it, but we all laughed about it later. It's how you learn, right? Okay, back to your sheet. Let's fix this tax part. What rate are we using? 8%?
Yep, 8%. Wow, you're fast at this. I feel like such a newbie. So while you're doing that, tell me more about yourself. How long have you been here at the company? I think I've seen you for about a year?
Almost 2 years now. I started right after grad school. It's been good. Nice people, steady work. Before this, I worked at a tiny startup. It was chaotic, but fun. We had pizza Fridays every week. What about you? How'd you end up in marketing?
Pizza Fridays. Jealous. I've been here for 3 years. I studied graphic design in college, but fell into marketing because I like telling stories through ads. It's creative, like making people excited about stuff. But numbers? Nah. Okay, so now that you've fixed that, how do I turn this into a slide? Should I copy paste the table?
Not just copy paste. That'll look boring. Let's see. Export it to a chart. Here, in Excel, go to Insert, Pie Chart. Boom. See? Now it shows ads taking 40%, events 30%, and so on. Add some colors, and it's pretty. For the presentation, you can say something like, as you can see, our biggest spend is on ads, which makes sense for reach.
Perfect. You're making me look smart here. Thanks a ton, seriously. I owe you one. Maybe lunch sometime. My treat.
Lunch sounds great. No problem at all. Helping out makes the day better. Plus, it's nice chatting with someone outside my department. We should do this more often, like share tips or something.
Totally agree. Hey, random question. What's your go-to for de-stressing after a long day? Mine's walking my dog. He's this fluffy mutt named Max. Always cheers me up.
Aw, dogs are the best. I don't have a pet, but I love reading. Or yoga. It helps me unwind. Last weekend, I tried a new class and almost fell over during a pose. Embarrassing, but funny.
I can picture that. I've tried yoga once. Lasted 5 minutes. Stick to dog walks for me. Anyway, back to the task. So, is the budget balanced now? Let me check the total.
Yup, look, it adds up perfectly. You're good to go. Just practice saying it out loud a few times. You'll nail the meeting.
Awesome! I feel way better now. Thanks again, Sarah. You're not just good with numbers, you're a great listener, too.
No worries. Glad I could help. Teamwork makes the dream work, right? Hey, before you go, any other questions? Or stories?
Nah, I think that's it. But yeah, let's grab that lunch soon. Maybe next week?
Deal. See you around, Alex.
Oh, one more thing. That show I mentioned, you should watch it. Twisty plot.
Will do. Bye. Alex learned to ask for help nicely.
Sarah showed how sharing stories makes work friends closer. Remember, in real life, helping each other builds better teams.
Thank you for watching, learners.